Hi, Janelle Ryan here from Sky High Coaching, and I'm really excited to drop this video in for you today. This is video one of a 5-part video series titled How to Take a Quantum Leap. So today we're going to talk about what quantum leaping is. So this is a little bit of an introduction, and then over the next 4 days I'm going to be giving you some principles on quantum leaping so that you can start doing this yourself in your own life. I've been quantum leaping for a while, and learning how to do this has been extraordinary. My life is more graceful, it's easier, it's much more fun. I am exponentially happier, and it has also made things in my world more successful. Endeavors that I've embarked on, projects I've immersed myself in have unfolded with great success. So I'm really excited to start sharing with you how you can start quantum leaping in your own life. So what is quantum leaping? What is quantum physics? What is the quantum realm? It's all a bit, isn't it? I'm definitely not a scientist, and I'm not a quantum physicist either. And the thing about quantum theory is it's actually quite a complex theory, and it even has our brightest minds on the planet scratching their heads a little. So rather than me try to explain it, I would like to read you something that was written by Gary F. Moring in one of my favorite books, The Complete Idiot's Guide to the Theories of the Universe. So Gary wrote, Einstein's two theories of relativity have shown us that when things move very fast or when objects get massive, the universe exhibits very strange properties. The same is also true of the microscopic world of quantum interactions. The deeper we delve into the macroism and the microism, the further we get away from the things that make sense to us in our everyday world. At the heart of relativity theory is the idea that what you experience is real for you, but not necessarily for someone else. It depends on your frame of reference. This can also be said of the quantum world, but with less certainty. Because of what we find within the framework of quantum mechanics is that events are based on probability and not certainty. And the probable outcome of any event often depends on what you're looking for. Let me read that again. And the probable outcome of any event often depends on what you're looking for. So what does this mean for us? How do we fit in? Well, my question to you is, what are you looking for? What are you focused on in your life? Are you focused on things that are external to you? Are you focused on situations that are outside your control? Are you focused on a lackluster love life? Are you focused on an unfulfilling career, not being able to get to that next level? Are you focused on a health and fitness that could be so much better? Are you focused on things that are going wrong? Are you focused on things that could go wrong, worries, anxieties? Or are you focused on memories from the past, memories of situations and events and experiences that you did not enjoy, that did not go well for you? And you're bringing that feeling into this life today. When we focus on what we don't want, when we focus on what we don't want to create, when we focus on what we don't want to experience, it's really challenging to see the possibilities and the opportunities that are actually out there for us. So the theory of the quantum realm is where all opportunities and possibilities exist. So what if we shifted our focus to the future? Stepped into the realm, picked out all the things that we wanted to materialize in our lives, and then watched them magically appear. So I'm going to read you another quote from Price Pritchett. This is what he wrote. His book's called U Squared, or U2, a high velocity formula for multiplying your personal effectiveness in quantum leaps. So he describes the concept of a quantum leap as one of exponential gains rather than incremental progress. You might compare it to multiplying instead of adding. Quantum leaps can come without apparent effort, seem to violate common sense. After the fact, quantum leaps may be viewed as practical, sensible, even obvious moves, but they typically do not come to you as the obvious moves at the moment. They tend to be simple, energy efficient, and time saving. So I'm going to give you a little activity now so you can gain a sense of what this means. So if you're able to, I would love you to stand up and focus on a spot on the floor in front of you, not very far away. Focus on that spot, and what you're going to do is you are going to jump or leap, if you like, and land exactly in that spot. So I invite you to do that now. Great leaping. You there? You landed on the spot? Well done. So let's just have a think about what we did then. We started in our starting position and we focused on a spot, a place in front of us where we wanted to land. And then we took an action. We sent a signal to our legs and we asked them to propel us forward and land exactly on that spot. What were you focused on before you jumped? I'm going to guess the spot on the floor. Excuse me. What were you focused on while you were in the air? I'm going to guess again, the spot on the floor. And you landed precisely where you wanted to be. When you were in the air, you weren't focused on whether you were worthy enough to be in the air. You weren't focused on whether you were qualified enough to be in the air. You weren't focused on whether you were lovable enough to be in the air. You weren't focused on what people were going to think about you being in the air. You had complete faith that you would land exactly where you wanted to. So think about if we remained focused on where we want to land in every area of our life and took action towards it. So that is it from me today. I hope you've really loved this little activity and it started to expand your mind a little. I'll be back tomorrow with a principle of quantum leaping. And also something else that's really exciting is from the 26th of August, I am going to spend 6 weeks quantum leaping with an entire group of amazing people. So from the 26th of August, we are going to be doing this together. They are going to learn all the principles because I won't be able to give them all to you over the next few days. There's many more. They're going to be learning all the principles. Then they're going to be implementing. They are going to start taking leaps with me holding their hand the whole way and supporting and cheering each other on. If that's something that interests you, if you want to fast track this, the info I'm going to give you over the next 4 days is definitely going to get you leaping. But if you want to fast track this, if you want to know every principle and be doing this in your life within 2 months, click on the link I'm going to pop in here and have a read about how and when we're going to be doing this. That's it from me today. I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.